If I told you the most crowded niches on YouTube still had space, would you believe? Hit the like button right now, please. It helps us reach more creators today. Stay until the very end for niches. I'll reveal one's exploding right now. Should you start in a niche full, crowded with huge players and fierce competition? Is your topic too saturated for growth? The short answer is powerful and simple. Yes, there's always space for new creators. You should start building right this week. Success today isn't about empty markets, it's about owning a spot you love. Picture us at a cozy small cafe. We're sipping coffee and brainstorming your channel. I clear the table and grab a napkin, sketching the vision for your YouTube journey. Here's why building space beats chasing gaps. 1. YouTube needs fresh voices constantly. 2. Global viewership grows bigger every year. 3. Top creators eventually retire and leave space. Now, start creating your unique place. Tip number 1. List 5 things you master. Then list 5 things you deeply love. Passion must be visible from first seconds. Tip number 2. Passion is your natural hook. Hooks keep viewers watching much longer always. Check your niche's content with proper tools. Old way, search manually and just guess. New way, use Follow for deep analysis. Tip number 3. Look for repeating success patterns now. Check titles, thumbnails, topics that keep returning. Ask, what's working for similar creators now? Don't fall into copy everything you see. Instead, mix proven elements with your style. Tip number 4. Change tone, pacing, and storytelling approach. If you are learning, hit like right now. It tells YouTube to show this wider. Let's talk about your upload rhythm next. Consistency decides growth more than pure luck. Some niches need fast reactions to trends. Others thrive with evergreen educational storytelling content. Pick your pace and commit fully to it. Decide your main revenue focus from start. Audience views bring ads and sponsorship income. Consumer niches sell products or affiliate deals. Student niches thrive with courses or coaching. Now for the promise-winning niches list. Niche number 1. Inaccessible situations most never experience. Example, Jacob knows lobster rescue shorts online. Tip number 5. Rare access can build loyal audiences. Niche number 2. Everyday but extraordinary perspectives explained. Example, Steve the Vivaldi way cooking style. Tip number 6. Authenticity beats perfection every single time. Niche number 3. Passion meets boring, unexpected entertainment twist. Even accounting or grocery trips can fascinate. Niche number 4. Mental health with raw, honest stories if uncertified. Share only personal lived experiences. Tip number 7. Always give value before asking anything. Action step. Film 1 video this week. Even if it's imperfect, get it posted, return here, and comment your link proudly. Remember, perfect empty gaps aren't necessary now. You can create your own unique lane. Your voice can. Attract a loyal tribe. If this helped, hit subscribe right now. The next video will go even deeper, and the next big YouTube success story could have your name written all over.